Julia was like, oh, let me get off.
I think you set the record for fastest leaving by a guest. Claire Malone, thanks to you.
You're welcome.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Micah Cohen, thank you.
You're also welcome.
286 Papa Kilo Delta.
My name is Jody Avigan. Gillandrick is our producer, and Tony Chow is in the control room. You can get in touch, email
Fairly
us at
certain.
podcast@538.com. You can also
That's
tweet at us
the
with any questions or comments about
third
the show.
one I've left
Thanks
on
again
this
for
vehicle,
listening, and we'll see you soon.
indicating it has not been moved in about a week and a half. So let's call it in. It's not an emergency, but 311 was closed. I am at Glenwood and Newton.
Glenwood and Newton North?
Yes, sorry.
Tell me exactly what happened.
We've got a vehicle. It is a Mercury, don't know the model number because I'm in front of it, parked very squarely in the bike lane with a trailer behind it that's also in the bike lane. It's a Mountaineer, a Mercury Mountaineer. Color is black.
How many vehicles involved?
There's one on this block, and then at the next block, just east of Newton, there's a panel truck that's also parked in the bike lane, but that's too far away for me to give you a good description.
What's the license plate number on the Mercury?
It is 286 Papa Kilo Delta. If you hold on about 15 seconds, I can give you the license of the panel truck.
Let's just stick with that one for a minute. What's being said?
It is midway through the block, halfway between Newton and Penn.
Is the vehicle blocking or slowing the flow of traffic?
It's directly in the middle of the bike lane, yeah.
We'll have a call entered. I'll just be dispatched as soon as possible. Do you want to offer the contact?
That would be great. I have the license of the panel truck as well. It is a gutter cleaning truck.
What's the license?
Yankee Bravo Charlie 8743. Leafless Gutters is the company. Also, the first vehicle has been parked there at least 4 days because I pass it every day on my way home from work.
Get your contact information. What's your full? Like I said, I'll be dispatched as soon as possible. Call us back immediately if you need to.
Thanks much.
Yeah, no problem.
Have a good one.